Is it 10 minutes because it's not visible to me? Oh. Okay, so, but what if, for example, what we discussed right now, if the USB ports are pulled off and nothing, no such thing is available or TNC doesn't work, is it impossible to form such environments? No. Another joke, Phil, please. Can I have some laughs? Thank you. Who is that brother of mine who is laughing at me? I would like to party. So limitations. We have limited storage in PC, just 130 KB. Although it's partially bypassed by some recent work by again David Kennedy, who is going mad on this device. They've attached a 4 GB storage card to the device. But again, the second possibility, because it's a keyboard, there is inability to read from the system. You cannot pull data from the system and store it into the storage device using PC, no matter how much storage do you attach to it. But you can drop executables, because right now what we were doing, but I was unable to demonstrate, we are pulling exes from Facebook or Google Docs. But if you attach storage to TNC, it is very much possible to drop it using the storage device. So one of the limitations gets bypassed. The future is Cortelia. I'm sure you guys will use it and will love it. I've spent 4 months of my life on that thing. Improvement in current payloads, less noise because of that internet connection thing right now. New payloads for non-traditional shells, for example, a shell in PowerShell itself, or using something like NTSD in XP, something similar in Windows 7. And yes, I discussed already dropping executable using additional storage. So conclusion, if used wisely, TNC can be used as a complete penetration testing device. Yes, with its own limitations. It's a cheap device, though shipping charges are very high. And one more thing, please use Cortelia and give feedback after it's released. It's just about 2 weeks. And one more thing to conclude, yes. Who's that guy who's talking to me last night? मेरे पास TNC है. मेरे पास TNC. So thank you. Questions, concerns.
Any alternatives to TNC like Minimus?
Sorry.
Any alternatives to the device?
There is one called USB rubber ducky. You can find it in 5 columns. It's a similar thing. I've not used it, but it's a similar thing. A concept older than TNC. Does the same thing. Yes?
Does it bypass security limited to the account and
Yes. For example, one of the payloads is this. If you're logged in, I've not tested it on the antiviruses with passwords, but if you're logged in as an administrator, you can quietly uninstall even your antivirus. So disabling or bypassing them is possible, and even disabling them altogether is also possible. No, but there's no need to disable them. Yes, we can bypass them, because right now PowerShell, nobody raises a flag for any PowerShell thing. So in most of the cases, yes, we can bypass it. Yes?
While executing the commands, right, we saw many dialog boxes.
Yes.
So would it be possible to suppress those dialog boxes?
No. But we can, after many hit and trial sort of things, we can guess the correct delay we require for that thing. For example, right now I've inserted longer delays of 7 seconds. You can insert smaller delays so that those things are not clearly visible, but you can't suppress them.
And let's say the system is locked and I plug in the TNC device, it wouldn't work, right?
No. It will work only on things which are loud when the system is locked. For example, that pressing shift 5 times, window U, these things will get triggered. Otherwise the device will work, but there will be no effect because the system is locked. The device will work, try to type it out.
You would have access to it.
The commands wouldn't run basically.
Exactly. The device will type it out, but there won't do any effect of it.
Right. And my last question is, would it work on Linux?
Yes. share the source code file. On Linux, it is more dangerous thing because in Linux everything is accessible using command line. So it is more dangerous and more effective on Linux. But normally there are no Linux desktops, so the focus is Windows. Any more questions?
These sources which you have, these sources which you showed, you have written them yourselves or they are present somewhere?
You mean have I copied them or have
No, I mean,
Have you, it's a question?
yeah, are they examples or sort of thing, or you've written them? You've
I've
coded them?
written them, and that's what I'm saying. I'll be releasing them soon. There will be 18 payloads for the time being, including static sniffing, items, executions, these which I demonstrated. Any more questions? Have you run out of time? No, yes. I think we've run out of time. I can see you standing there, staring at me. So, any questions? You can catch me. I'm here.
Thank you so much for sharing your knowledge. Thank you so much, Nikhil, for sharing your knowledge. I now call upon Amay Garg from GarageBand Hackers to come up and felicitate Nikhil.